What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Honda Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to want a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button on the back, and that allows the key to slide out like that. You can set that key to the side. Now we want to remove the back of the shell. So if we take our flathead screwdriver and put them in here like this, we can take the back off. We can see our battery right here. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap that in like that. Snap the back on. Put our emergency key back in. And that is it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.